need give MariaDB's path to application directory. Just you need to open terminal and type cd these two dash dash and forward slash, and then after hitting enter you just go down your two directories and then type cd application to go application directory, and there you need these lines. After hitting these lines you will be able to connect your MariaDB to the root one. So after installing XAMPP on Mac, these two steps are mandatory. I think these issues are mainly found on Mac M2 and Mac M1, I think, because of if I don't know, but I think if you install previous version or older version of XAMPP, then maybe you not get, you don't face these issues. But in my case, my Mac version is M2, and I think this XAMPP version is 8 point something. So after installing XAMPP, I will face these issues. In browser, my XAMPP is running fine, but after then I create my first Spring Boot project and then connect to the database. Then it will giving me some permission issues like password, something like that. So after installing XAMPP, if you getting these, if you're facing some problems or errors like them, then you will be able to, you can do these two steps.